Hi guys, welcome to Monday, May 18th. We're in week 8. We are almost done. It's kind of scary, huh? I hope you guys aren't too overwhelmed. I want to go over first what you need to turn in to pass this course. I know that there's a lot of activities posted. Well, not a lot, but enough where you're like, okay, break it down for me, Miss McCarthy. What do I need bare minimum to turn in to pass this class? Okay, here it is. From the first unit, I want you to turn in your Pixar Shorts activity and then your literary analysis outline and paper. These are really highly required just because I want to make sure you have an idea about literary analysis and the parts of literary analysis, which all three of these cover. For argumentation, the unit we are currently on, I want you to be turning in all the argumentation activities and questions posted. This is because I'm really posting bare minimum for this unit, and I want to see that you are understanding argumentation. So that's why I'm posting bare minimum this unit, one, because I want you to catch up on these things, but I also want you to not have a lot you need to turn in to pass this course. So here is what you need. You turn in the rest of the argumentation activities and questions posted for the rest of the trimester, and you turn in the Pixar Shorts activity and the literary analysis outline and final paper, and I will pass you in this course. Obviously, that doesn't mean turn in something, half done and you'll get credit. No, that means completed to your best of your ability. All right? Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, email me. You guys have already gotten this email. You got it on the 11th. We are going to be I set up a Google Hangout for ELA 11 from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And actually, I'm not going to have a link. But so I emailed you guys that time, 10 a.m. to 11. It's not required, but I do want you guys to consider showing up, especially if you're struggling to get ahead, or if you have a couple questions that you think will be so much easier if you're asking me, face to face, sort of live. So please feel free. And if you can't come at that time, email me. Say, hey, Miss McCarthy, I can't make it to the 10 to 11. Can I make it during another time? Again, I repeat, this is not a required meeting, as I stated in the email, but I do highly recommend it if you are behind in work or if you're confused about anything that you need to turn in. All right? Okay. So that is it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Just catch up on all your previous work. There's no new assignment assigned for today. Have a good day. Bye.